stars. Here I was like going through the eights, then the stars. I really didn't like the stars. Then I kind of found that I enjoyed making the sort of infinite shape, infinite symbol shape, and then moving up. So this is probably around there. So I'm just going to do a couple of drills here. So amongst the things I remember saying on the video before that was not recorded, the idea was that I'm also feeling like the needle going in and going out. I'm getting the feel for the movement that Ben explains in his video. Also thank Ben again because I think his videos are super clear, and they allow us to go and to practice these things. I've never done this kind of dot work before, to sort of fully shade, and I enjoyed like that. Sometimes you can really get nice results, like you can see that I'm also getting here. Definitely I didn't go in to the end of the story here. If you don't, just go back at it and do the movement. Also, I tried different hand positions. Like I was enjoying this one as well, cause not only for the video, but also because I really enjoyed kind of see better. So as Ben advised, I'm going over the ones that I did before, to be able to feel all the eventual spots. What I like is I'm feeling in my hand when I'm going in and going out. I'm managing the depth quite well with my finger, so I just have to put a bit of pressure and I'm in and out, in and out. And also it's nice if you find a rhythm, because it means that the rhythm that you're going in and out is the same. So your dots will have the same space in between them. It makes sense, the spacing to be kind of uniform and not just all over the place, like one super far away and the other one. And I'm always going up and down, but I could just like go down from bottom to top, but I could definitely do the other way around. I will do that just after. See, I'm like tack, 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 tack. And this allows me to have the same depth, the same length in between dots according to my hand speed and hand movement. Also, of course, I should probably be going a bit more vertical on this one, but I wanted to see in the video. But I think for the dot work, you'd rather go more vertical. Because like this, you're depositing the ink just underneath the way you're putting your needle, and not a bit further away, not like with lines. Now I'm going top to bottom. Yeah, and it's quite nice. You see like you see a black shading. It's more or less uniform. Here you can see I went a bit faster than I should have. But we can go back there and kind of tweak those shapes again. Careful not to go too much. You don't want to overwork the skin. Let's say if this would be like real skin, you'd be overworking it probably. And also like you don't want to all of a sudden have super darker area than you had before. But yeah, that's quite cool. Okay guys, I'm not gonna go do any more. Like I'm just gonna show you the star and why I didn't like the star so much. So this shape, it feels like quite natural to do tac 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 tac. The star is more of a random shape, I feel. Like you kind of go here, then 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 here, here. And where do you start? Where do you finish? I don't feel it's so comprehensive, and you can see like immediately, like I don't feel that my dots are going in the same good spot. So that I would have to do way more dots than the number I'm supposed to. Whereas with the 8, like I don't really care, I'm just doing the shape and like getting the pace. So here at the end of the day, I'm just doing like a lot of random dots with this star shape, and I don't really fancy it. In order for it to be anywhere packed as the one here, I don't really like it, so I'm not gonna really use this one. I'm used to this 8 shape, and I really think you can get nice results. Probably if you want to do like more less dense areas, probably the star shape is gonna get useful at that point. You can also practice these drills with a filter pen, like with some ink pen. You can definitely like find a way to practice this dot work. That's it for today, guys. Next video will be about the rows. I did all of this today. It took me like about an hour. But I think you definitely should, maybe if you don't have all this time, it's better if you do 2 or 3 squares, like get your session ready, do 3, then the next day do 3 more, and then 3 more, and then 3 more, because like this you'll be able to practice more and more. So here what we're trying to do is like getting some muscle memory, and this is what I'm trying to do. I'm getting back to tattooing, and I need that muscle memory back because it really went away. But it's better to practice half an hour each day than to practice 3 hours every week in one day. Okay guys, we're ending this video here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the like button if you did like this video. I'll be trying to do videos as often as I can. I really hope this comes helpful, because what I'm trying to do here, showing you my path and eventually getting you motivated to follow your own. Be patient, get yourself into it, and really practice before you start tattooing people, and persevere. Like it takes patience and perseverance to do this. Know that you have to really take pleasure on this. Don't do this for the money. Don't do the think that you're gonna be like super rich and super famous. You'll have to enjoy the process, and I really enjoy the process, and that's why I'm doing this, and that's why I'm doing these videos, because I really want to help people and encourage people to follow the process and really get passionate about what they're doing.